Okay, before we even start, the original Thunderstruck is one of those songs that already feels primal. It's not just rock music, it feels like electricity discovered alcohol. It's a badass song, if you ask me. Now I have to be honest, you guys have been over the time sending me some weird stuff that I should react to or analyze, and I do feel a little bit nervous about this one. Is this gonna scar me for life? Now, a part of me is actually terrified that this is gonna make the sound of like a banjo, like when you wash it in a washing machine. Now, if these guys truly understand the soul of the original song, this could either be legendary, or this could be like AC/DC being translated through barbecue smoke. Man, I really don't want to hear someone perform an exorcist with a banjo. But first, we have to go and check a comment. Irmelinis, I hope that's correct. My brain just went regulator at the same time as yours. It was a clear black night.
It was a clear black night, a clear white.
Man, this is gonna sound nothing like that. Oh my god. It's super. Oh my god, man. Did you cut the grass, sir? Oh my god. Okay. The spoons, man.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Moved around, and I knew there was no turning
Oh my
back.
god, man.
My
Oh,
mind
so
raced,
good.
and I thought, what could I do?
Is it?
And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart.
Instead of lightning from the sky, this version sounds like a storm rolling through a cornfield.
You've been thunderstruck.
You guys are insane, man.
Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools, yeah, yeah, they blew our minds. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
It sounds like the national anthem of a gas station. This sounds like AC/DC got trapped in a barn during a tornado.
I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again,
Now this is how you start a bonfire.
You've been thunderstruck. 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 Yeah, yeah, it's alright. We're
Don't drink moonshine, boys.
Thunderstruck. You feel thunderstruck.
That vice too. It's like, oh, well, this is what you do when you don't have internet. You know, I'm used to music that makes me think or headbang, but this just wanna get me a shotgun. Man, that was actually fun. It's a proof that you don't need the correct instrument to make a cover sound good. Very nice, very funny, guys. Very funny. You guys take care.